International Business and Marketing Consulting Company presents you iConsulting. With 20 years of marketing experience, our company is one of the most forward-looking digital marketing platform in its sector. We help our clients plan, execute and optimize their digital communication campaigns, according to specific marketing objectives. Our services are digital marketing. We will build an online marketing plan, digital marketing strategy. Software development. We can develop personalized marketing software and mobile apps to grow your business. E-commerce. We will develop a profitable internet business for you. Graphic design. We offer attractive graphics creations for all your projects. We operate in an incredibly dynamic and constantly changing industry. The advertising products we use change and evolve regularly. And if we don't take the time to stay abreast of new features and effective strategies, our customer campaigns will suffer. This is why we spend a lot of time and effort to be at the forefront of new products, features and strategies that we can put at the service of our customers. We will help you every step of the way. We will proceed by fundamental steps for the implementation of digital marketing strategies. You deserve success, we will help you.